Hello, lovely kids. Welcome to another exciting lesson with Mr. Olia. How's been your day? I hope on the previous lesson you learned a lot all about biodiversity. In today's lesson, you'll be learning a new topic titled Acid and Base. I'll come again, acid and base. So firstly, what is an acid? An acid is a substance which forms hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. An acid is a substance which forms hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Examples are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and ethanoic acid. Now, physical properties of acid. 1. They change blue litmus paper to red. 2. They are soluble in water. 3. They are electrolyte, meaning they can conduct electricity. 4. They have sour or sharp tastes. 5. Many acids are corrosive, meaning they are dangerous. Next, what is a base? A base is a substance which reacts with acid to form salt and water only. I'll come again. A base is a substance which reacts with acid to form salt and water only. Examples are caustic soda, also known as sodium hydroxide. Next, slake lime, which is also known as calcium hydroxide, and quicklime, which is also known as calcium oxide. Note: a base that dissolved in water is called alkaline. I'll come again. A base that dissolved in water is known as alkaline. Next, physical properties of a base. 1. They change red litmus paper to blue. 2. They are slippery when touched. 3. They are electrolyte, meaning they can conduct electricity. 4. They have bitter tastes. 5. They are corrosive in high concentration. That means when they are mixed with acid or they have high solubility, they are corrosive. So these are physical properties of a base. Now let's see types of acid. Acids are grouped into two types. They are grouped into two types, which are natural and mineral acid. I'll come again. Natural and mineral acid. Now, what is a natural acid? They are also called organic acids. They are found mainly in plants and animals. Next, we will see some examples of natural acid and their sources. 1. Citric acid is a natural acid and the source is citrus like lime and lemon from fruits. 2. Ascorbic acid. The source where it is found is fruits and vegetables. 3. Lactic acid. Where it is found is salmic. That is the source. 4. Ethanoic acid. and the source of ethanoic acid is vinegar. 5. Amino acid is also an example of a natural acid, and the source is protein. That means it is found or it is getting from protein. So citric acid, ascorbic acid, lactic acid, and ethanoic acid and amino acid are all examples of natural acids. Next, mineral acid. Mineral acid are also called inorganic acid. They are also called inorganic acid. They are mostly prepared in the laboratory from mineral matter, meaning they are prepared artificially by scientists in the laboratory. Now, mineral acids can be divided into weak and strong mineral acid. They can be strong or weak acid. Now, let's go to types of base. Base can be grouped into weak and strong base. Now, what is a weak base? A weak base, they dissolve partially in water to produce small hydraulic ion. They dissolve in water partially, and examples are calcium hydroxide and ammonia in water. Next, strong base. They dissolve completely in water to produce large amount of hydraulic ion. Examples are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. So strong base dissolve completely in water, unlike the weak base. Next, uses of acid and base. 1. Acid is used for making dyes and explosive. Used in making dye and explosive. 2. For manufacturing fertilizer. They are used for manufacturing fertilizer for plants to grow better. 3. Ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, helps to build strong bone. It helps to build strong bone. 4. Base is used for making soap and shaving cream. It is used for making soap, for bathing, or for washing clothes and shaving cream. 5. Base is used for making toothpaste and mouthwash for the mouth to smell and look nice. 6. Base is also used for making whitewash, smears and paper, so on and so forth. So those are the various uses of acid and base. Wow, super kids! It has been an exciting lesson so far. Knowing the definition of acid and base, knowing the various types of acid and base, and knowing the various physical properties of acid and base, and finally knowing the uses of acid and base. See you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.